In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a split in CapCut. Whether you're polishing up a quick edit or perfecting a longer project, knowing how to remove unwanted segments from your timeline is absolutely essential. CapCut, a user-friendly and highly versatile video editing tool, makes this process straightforward once you know the steps. If you're new to CapCut, or if you're just looking to sharpen your editing skills, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. And if you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's dive right in. To start, position the playhead at the very beginning of the segment you want to remove. This step is crucial because accurately placing the playhead ensures that you're targeting the exact portion of the clip you want to delete. Take your time here, as precision will save you from having to adjust it later. Next, zoom in on the timeline. You can do this by using the zoom slider or the scroll wheel on your mouse, depending on your setup. Zooming in gives you a closer look at the individual frames, which is especially helpful for making precise cuts. It's all about having better visibility so you can see exactly where adjustments are needed. Once you've zoomed in, it's time to split the clip at the point where the unwanted segment begins. In CapCut, you can do this a few different ways. You can click the scissors icon in the toolbar, or if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+B. Either option works, so choose the one that feels easiest for you. Splitting the clip creates two distinct segments, which makes it much simpler to isolate and delete the part you don't need. Now, click on the segment you want to remove. This will highlight it, making it clear which part of the clip is selected. Once it's highlighted, it's time to delete it. You can do this by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard, or by clicking the trash icon in the toolbar. Either method will remove the selected segment from your timeline, and just in case you delete the wrong part by accident, don't worry. You can always use the undo function to bring it back. With the unwanted section gone, the next step is to adjust the remaining clip to close the gap. Click on the right edge of the clip that's still in your timeline and drag it to the right until it fills the empty space. This step is essential for merging the content back together, ensuring your video flows smoothly without any awkward pauses or gaps. Finally, take a moment to review your timeline. Play through the edited portion to make sure the pacing feels natural and the transitions are seamless. This quick review helps you catch any small errors that might have been missed during the editing process. And that's how you delete a split in CapCut. By following these steps, you can easily remove any unwanted segments from your video and keep your project looking polished and professional. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.